Welcome back to our channel. Traveling for business? Commuting between meetings? Or just tired of carrying heavy tech gear on your shoulders? Then let's talk about the EVERKI Atlas 30L wheeled laptop backpack, the perfect blend of comfort, capability, and convenience. This bag is built for the modern professional who wants versatility on the move. Whether you're rolling through airport terminals or wearing it like a standard backpack, the Atlas delivers durability, organized storage, and next-level laptop protection. Spacious design. Experience the convenience of a 30L rolling backpack measuring 21.3 by 15.7 by 8.1 inches. Ideal for professionals and travelers, this black backpack fits laptops from 13 to 17.3 inches. A smart choice for businessmen, realtors, and frequent flyers. Secure device protection includes a removable, soft felt-lined sleeve that secures 13 to 17.3-inch devices, making it the ultimate laptop backpack for business trips. Its travel-friendly design, durable zippers, and sturdy pulls make this wheeled backpack a reliable companion on the go. Organized and efficient, the EVERKI Atlas travel backpack keeps your essentials in order with dedicated compartments for devices, files, and accessories. Its structured layout keeps everything secure, while the versatile wheeled backpack design adapts effortlessly to travel and work settings. Durable and convenient, built with premium materials, the EVERKI Atlas backpack features quiet rolling wheels, a retractable handle, and an external water bottle pocket. Use it as carry-on luggage or a daily laptop backpack. Also makes great gifts for dads, husbands, and professionals who are always on the move. Ideal for professionals, designed for offices, client meetings, or trips abroad, this travel backpack for women and men makes a thoughtful gift for professionals, executives, and entrepreneurs. Sleek and practical, it's the backpack that balances style and function. So that's the EVERKI Atlas 30L wheeled laptop backpack, a premium travel solution built for comfort, safety, and flexibility. If you want a bag that adapts to your lifestyle, handles your tech, and stands up to everyday wear, this one is definitely worth considering. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.